In the heart of Brooklyn, where the air buzzed with the rhythm of the subway and the aroma of fresh bagels wafted through the streets, stood a modest independent bookstore. Nestled between a bustling cafe and a vintage record store, Chapters and Dreams had been a cornerstone of the community for decades. The store was run by Daniel, a gentle, book-loving man, and his teenage daughter, Emma, whose bright smile and boundless optimism brought warmth to every visitor. The bookstore had once thrived under the care of Daniel and his wife, Lily, a passionate reader and writer. Together, they had created a haven for book enthusiasts. But after Lily's untimely passing, the store struggled. Daniel, weighed down by grief and mounting bills, considered selling the shop. Yet Emma, just 12 at the time of her mother's passing, had pleaded, "Papa, we can't let go of Mama's dream. This place is part of her." Now 17, Emma had grown into a clever, resourceful young woman. She worked tirelessly alongside her father to keep the store afloat, greeting customers with enthusiasm and suggesting books that felt like treasures. But despite her efforts, foot traffic had dwindled. Competing with the convenience of online shopping and ebooks seemed like an uphill battle. One rainy afternoon, as Emma rearranged a display of her favorite novels, she noticed her father staring at a stack of unpaid bills. His usual hopeful demeanor was clouded with worry. "Papa," Emma said, sitting beside him, "I have an idea." Daniel looked at her skeptically. "Emma, you always have ideas." She grinned. "And they usually work, don't they? Listen. What if we make the bookstore more than just a shop? What if it becomes a community space?" Daniel raised an eyebrow. "A community space?" "Yes. We could host book clubs, poetry readings, even art exhibits. People in Brooklyn love that kind of thing. And I could use social media to promote it. We'll remind everyone why holding a real book in your hands is magical." Though hesitant, Daniel couldn't deny the excitement in Emma's eyes. "All right," he said. "But don't expect miracles." Emma wasted no time. She created a vibrant Instagram account for the bookstore, posting pictures of cozy reading nooks, shelves brimming with books, and handwritten notes recommending her favorite reads. She invited local teens and artists to join a book club, using hashtags like #ChaptersandDreams and #BrooklynReads. The first event, a book club meeting, started small, with just a handful of attendees. But word spread quickly. Soon, Chapters and Dreams became a popular spot for readers, writers, and creatives. Poetry nights filled the tiny shop with snapping fingers and applause. Artists displayed their work on the walls, drawing in new customers. One day, a renowned author, Claire Stanton, visited the store while passing through Brooklyn. She was impressed by the lively atmosphere and Emma's genuine passion for books. "You've created something special here," Claire said, signing a copy of her novel for Emma. Emma beamed. "Thank you. This place means everything to my dad and me. It's not just a store, it's our history." Claire smiled thoughtfully. "I'd love to hold a book signing event here." Emma's heart leapt. A book signing with a famous author could bring in national attention. She worked tirelessly to prepare, transforming the store into a whimsical literary retreat. Fairy lights twinkled around shelves, and handwritten quotes from Claire's books adorned the walls. The event was a massive success. Crowds lined up outside the shop, and the local news covered the story. Sales soared, and the bookstore's reputation spread beyond Brooklyn. That evening, as Emma and Daniel sat in the quiet store, surrounded by empty coffee cups and stacks of books, Daniel looked at his daughter with pride. "You've saved this place, Emma," he said, his voice thick with emotion. Emma shook her head. "No, Papa. We saved it. And Mama's dream lives on." From that day forward, Chapters and Dreams became a symbol of resilience and community spirit. Emma's cleverness and determination didn't just save the bookstore, they breathed new life into it, reminding everyone who visited that stories, whether on a page or in real life, had the power to change everything. And as the city lights twinkled outside, Emma knew in her heart that her luck wasn't just chance, it was the result of love, hope, and an unwavering belief in the magic of dreams.